Kazuto Productions proudly presents a custom level made by
me!
Uma!
Hello.
Here we go! And it's called Peach's Castle. I hate this part.
Oh, stinks.
That smells of...
No.
No. Who's Shiv? I'm Boo.
Did they carry?
What?
Did they carry?
What?
Did they carry?
Hmm?
Carry?
What does that mean? Curry.
No.
You going home?
Yeah.
But you live with us. So you're not going home anywhere. Oh yeah, just
Of course he's going home. He's going home to his room.
go. Who cares? Just go. That's the video. Stop. Just go.
Oh, whatever. Oh, whatever. I don't need coins. Oh, whatever. Oh, man. Oh, phew.
How do you do this part? Oh yeah, I know how. Yeah.
Don't go down. Don't go down. Very confusing, eh?
Isn't that cool? You go down here, then you come here, then you go through. Really? That's what happened.
Oh.
Okay.
Bye.
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 Look at this level.
No, this bonus level.
Bonus level. Thank you for watching Kazuto Productions. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is another cool thing about these two laptops. Look what they do. Look at this. And look at this. This does mute. This makes it.
They play games.
And see? Isn't it awesome? See, louder, softer, mute. Okay, bye.